then the law as it stands today has been an abject failure.
The federal government says too many kids are smoking pot and that taking control through legalization will help.
And it will do a better job of protecting our kids and fighting crime.
Clearly, the Liberals believe this is a big deal.
Today is an important day.
This is a very important day.
This is an important day.
But even after public consultations, a task force report, and a gaggle of cabinet ministers working on the file, there are still many unanswered questions. Most Canadians don't oppose the broad idea of legalization.
I don't think it's that bad, as long as you're responsible with it.
So why not try it, I guess, is my whole point. At least it can be controlled and make some money off of it.
It's hard to say, but I just don't like the idea.
But the challenge is getting the specifics right, like price.
But they have to be priced at a level where people aren't going to say it's cheaper to go on the street than it is to purchase it through a legal retailer.
Price falls to the provinces, along with where pot is sold. The goal is to have the whole system in place by July 2018.
It's a bit laughable because without money, they do legalize, but we're going to have so much work to do.
The timelines are ambitious, but at the end of the day, the stakes are the health and safety of Albertans, so we will work to those timelines.
The Liberals say, well, that may be a lot of work. It can, and in fact, it needs to be done.
So we can't drag our feet.
Then there are the things this government can't control, like the implications when crossing the border.
I'd like to know, because you have a lot of people who's traveling at the side of the border, what does it mean for the Americans?
Can Canadians be turned back if they admit that they have smoked marijuana legally in Canada, even if they don't have any drugs on them? The answer seems to be maybe.
Every sovereign country has the ability at the border to make those decisions for themselves.
Justin Trudeau has suggested in the past that government profits from pot could go to addiction services and public education, but there was no commitment to that in today's announcement. Catherine Cullen, CBC News, Ottawa.